This video demonstrates the process for cleaning the LED print heads. To access the LED print heads, open the front door. To unlock the waste toner transport assembly, slide the lever to the left. Pinch the tabs on both sides and remove the assembly. Remove the cleaning wand. Unlock the drum by turning the latch to the right. To clean the print head, insert the cleaning wand into the slot. Push it in and pull it out 3 times. You may repeat this process for all 4 colors. Lock the latch. When you are finished, place the wand in the door. Replace the waste toner transport assembly. And close the door.